Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my summer makeup tutorial. So I do this every year on my channel and today is the 2020 summer makeup tutorial. I think all apart from one product, everything else is drugstore or affordable apart from one thing. And I tend to be quite oily in the summer, so I like to wear matte products, and most of the products today are sweatproof and matte. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I always start with moisturizing my face. In the summer, the sun sometimes just sucks the life out of your skin. It dries out your skin, so it's always good to use a day moisturizer. And then afterwards, I'll go in with a mattifying primer. So I'm going to use my Nivea Daily Essentials Sensitive Day Cream. And I'm going to apply it with this Colourpop. I don't know what Colourpop brush this is because there's actually no name or number on there whatsoever, so it's just a little Colourpop. It looks like a mini contour angle brush. I'm going to apply it with that. And then after leaving that dry in for a little bit, I'm going in with a mattifying primer. So this is the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. This is actually a really good primer. It makes your makeup last all day and it keeps you matte and stops the shine and oiliness. So I really like this primer, and I tend to use mattifying primers most of the time anyway, just to keep my oily skin in my T-zone under control. So this is a really good one, and I'm going to apply it with the same brush. And then I'm just going to fan my face to let this soak in as much as possible. And I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte foundation in the shade 10 Porcelain. Now this foundation and the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation are my favourite foundations to wear in the summer. I like a matte, but I also like a bit of dewiness, so sometimes I mix them together, sometimes I just wear them on their own. But today I'm just going for the matte version. It keeps your skin matte all day, it has shine control, and yeah, I just really like this foundation. So I'm going to apply it with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. What I really like about this foundation as well is that it's a nice medium coverage. It's not too thick. It's a nice decent amount of coverage, which I like for the summertime. Okay, now for concealer, I always go for a full coverage concealer in the summertime. This is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Ivory. It's the lightest shade I think that they do, I think. So I'm just going to apply some of this. And then I go in with the next shade up, which is Fair, and I just mix the two colours together basically. I like to be full coverage. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Okay, now I'm going in with a cream contour. This is probably my favourite cream contour. This is the NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Light to Medium. And I'm just going to cream contour a little bit with this. I'm going to blend that in then with my Morphe M436 mini stippling brush. I'm then just going to highlight my nose a little bit with the concealer. Okay, so now for powder, I'm using this very expensive powder, which I don't use very often, but it is the best powder I've ever used in my life. So it's the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. No flashback, holds your makeup in place all day, really mattifying. It's amazing. So to set my eye area first, I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my You Spicy 31 brush. Okay, so now carrying on with the rest of my face, moving on to bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. And I'm going to bronze my face using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Now for blush, I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. And this is a very peachy, pinky shade. And I'm going in with my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. Now for highlight, I'm mixing these two highlights together. These are the Colourpop Super Shock highlighters. And I've got the shades Lunch Money and Flexitarian, and I'm just going to mix them both together. I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, now moving on to the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to use the MUA Makeup Academy Matte Soft Suedes 6 eyeshadow palette. And on my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going in with this shade here, and I'm going to pop that through the crease. Then on my Morphe M412 brush, I'm going in with this dark shade here, and I'm going to do like a smoky eye type thing. Today's look is very bronzy and kind of like a smoky eye, and I'm going to pop it on the outer corners. Now I'm going to use the same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And then to add some sparkle, I'm using my Colourpop Birthday Wish Super Shock eyeshadow. And using my little finger, I'll pop that then all over the lid. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyebrows today. Now I think I've only ever done my eyebrows about twice on my channel, because I never do my eyebrows in real life. These are just my natural eyebrows. I just usually leave them as they are. But today I am just going to fill them in slightly and just neaten them up a little bit. There's not much I can do with them because they are literally so full. But I'm just going to fill in the gaps. So I'm using my Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Black and Brown. I'm just going to brush up and just fill in the gaps. Then I'm going in with my clear Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. And then I am going to spray my face before I do my eyeliner and my mascara. So I'm using the NYX Matte Long Lasting Setting Spray. This is such a good setting spray and really affordable as well. Okay, now for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Slide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers and use my Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara in the shade Black on Black. Okay, so now the final thing is the lips. I always go for like pinky glosses or just glosses in general in the summertime. I very rarely wear matte lips in the summertime. So I'm going in with my L'Oreal Tinted Lip Oil in the shade 03 Pom Pom Pink. So that completes this video. This was my summer makeup tutorial 2020. I hope that you liked it. I hope it was easy to follow. And like I said, all but one of the products were drugstore or affordable. And I just find this look to be really easy to create in the summer, and it's just something that I would prefer to wear. This is the type of look you would see me wearing all throughout the summer. I just love sparkly eyes, bronzed skin and glossy lips. It's just me. I love it. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely summer, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.